All right, guys, welcome back. It's been a couple months since I've posted a video, but we're down here in California now, and it's been 110 degrees in the Sacramento Valley for the last 4 or 5 days. So we're coming up to the mountains, and we're gonna see if we can get some native rainbow trout on the fly rods. So stay tuned. I got a 2-weight and a 5-weight. Gonna be throwing dry dropper rigs with a hopper on the surface, going down to some beadhead nymphs or midges. It's been working the last couple times I've been here, so we'll see if we can get on some today. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, made it down to the first spot. Creek looks pretty good. We got a nice waterfall up here with a deep hole under it. There's a decent amount of fish that hang out up here. Get up there and start casting. See if we can get on something. Big slug right there. Woo! It's cold. It's a chilly one. All right, that's the fishing spot. Doesn't really get much better than that. All right, y'all, we're gonna start out with the 2-weight, 6'6" ultralight fly rod, little 2-weight reel on there. Show you what we got. I think this is a little tiny midge. Then we got going up to a hare's ear nymph about a foot above that, and then maybe 2 feet above that we got our dry fly, and that's going to be our indicator as well. So start casting, see if we can get on something. They don't seem to want it anymore. There we go. On the dry. Oh, I snagged him. Well, tried to eat it. Get this over here, show you guys on the big camera. Yeah, he was just barely snagged in there. right. There he is, first fish of the day. Little rainbow. There we go. First rainbow. Let him go. All right, so that's one fish down. We're gonna see if we can't get a few more. Then we'll, oh, I just caught maybe the smallest trout ever. Oh my God, that was the next cast. We'll see if it's a trout. Could be a baby salmon. There we go. Oh my God. On that little zebra midge. Let's take a look at him. Just a little guy. Yeah, this guy's actually looking more, that's a baby salmon. It's cool though. There you go. Thinking that's baby salmon, either baby chinook or really tiny trout. Let them go. Oh, there's one. See if we can get him to eat again. Got him. That was cool. Just sight casted that guy. He came up and checked out the first time, came up and checked it out. Second time, cast it to him, he ate it. So walk him over here. It's the first fish actually hooked in the mouth. Might be the biggest one too. There we go. That's what you're looking for. Hook right in the bottom jaw. Should come right out. Oh. Yep, the hook's out. There he is. Beautiful little wild California rainbow. All right, we're gonna let him go. There's a bigger one. Got him. Oh, there's a few down there. They're all coming up now. That's good. Yeah, it looks like they're all stocked up back in there. That was on, it's on the hare's ear nymph. Get them over here. Get them unhooked. Come here, bud. There he is. Beautiful little California rainbow. All right, we're on again. There's a lot of decent fish in this little hole. This is definitely the biggest of the day. Basically just casting out and then stripping it in real slow. They come up and grab it, so. Want to keep them in the water if you can, and then show the camera, and off he goes. Yep, here he comes. Got him. Looks like he took the ant. Oh, not a rainbow. Let's get this guy in the net. Come on. That's a little brook trout. Oh, yes. There he is. Look at those colors on him. Got the orange and the blue. We'll get this guy on the big camera too. Little brook trout. It's actually not a bad fish for this little pond, for this little pool. But It's pretty feisty. Got some nice colors on them. All right, we're gonna let him go. One last look at him. And there he goes. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it for me at this hole. We're gonna go down the stream and there's a few other pools I can drive to and we'll see if we can get something there, but it's gonna do it for right here. Lots of good fish. First brook trout out of here, so it's good to know that they're in here. All right, we're at the other pool. There's a few more downstream that I can walk to, but we'll start up here. I know there's fish in here. Have to get a lot of line out. Oh. That was a big hit. Oh, there he is again. Got him on the dry. Snagged again. I'm gonna walk him over this way. There's a couple fish right in there. Oh, big snake. Whew. Just chilling right next to me. See if we can just get this hook popped out and let this guy go. Oh, he's bleeding. It's not good. Well, tangled up my line nice and good. So I was just walking down the stream and we found this little guy chilling. This is a rough skin newt. They're native to California, and if you're touching them, just make sure you wash your hands. They're super toxic if you ingest any of it. So there he is. We'll let him go. Back in his little spot. Oh, just missed one. Oh. They're thinking about it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me today. Fish aren't really biting anymore, so I'll see you guys on the next one.